नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। वेलकम टू इंडस फूड। हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडस फूड सो फार?
Thank you, ma'am. We have been participating in Indusfood for the past 5 years. We have our own booth every year. We have been taking in the stalls, and the footfall is very good. And right from beginning, people from all over the world with different sectors are coming to the Indusfood, and the response is good. And we are getting good results from Indusfood participations.
So tell me something about your product range.
Madam, we are into spices since last more than 40 years, and we have almost covered all the seed spices like cumin, fennel, coriander, fenugreek, ajwain, and sesame seed and entire thing. And we are also into ground spices, blended spices and entire ranges. And we have world-class facility, one in Gujarat and another in Salem, Tamil Nadu. And we handle all those whole spices from Gujarat unit and all those ground spices from Salem unit.
And what all the products that are in pipeline?
Pipeline mein, just as you see, this is the one particular product which we have introduced in Indusfood this year. This is pesticide-free curry powder. Yes, and which have a lot of medicinal benefits. This is we have made all these the blends with natural product, and it is actually pesticide free, as it is meeting the European regulations, FSSAI and Japanese standards. It all covers entirely. It is passing as per the limits of limits set by the international country standards. This is the first time we have been introducing this one. Already we have been doing IPM grade, that is integrated pest management, with this low pesticide content products for more than 6 years. We have our own backward integration projects with more than 2000 farmers associated with us, and we are supplying this pesticide free cumin, fennel, coriander, individual spices for the past 5-6 years. Now we have introduced this in blended also. So now we have been doing turmeric powder with pesticide low content since last year, and coriander powder, cumin powder also we have been doing. All those powdered spices from Salem region. Now this year for Indusfood we have launched this curry powders. Exclusively high aroma, good quality and high medicinal benefits you have from our curry powder. Pesticide free, and it is tested in standard labs, and we are providing the product along with the test reports only. It's completely passed as per the EU regulation, Japanese and Indian regulations as well.